Alright guys, we've got a it was bought new in September of 2021. This had a 4-year warranty. He also added this $600 Exmark flap on here to open and close the chute, which is pretty clean. It has 35 hours on it. He used this for a 48-inch ultra cut. This is $68.95 new now, I believe. But yeah, 7-gauge commercial deck, I think, on this thing. I don't know a lot about Exmark, so you just have to look it up. But it's Radius 48. It was bought late 2021. It's got the commercial Exmark engine on it. So yeah, very clean pre-owned unit. 623 North Main.